Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the canvas. Place the shapes you want linked and make sure guides and grid are visible so spacing stays consistent. Next, choose insert shapes and pick a connector type, elbow, straight, or curved, because connectors stick to shapes as they move. Click a connection handle on the first shape, then click the target shape. This ensures the line attaches to the shape's connection point. Once done, you'll see the connector behave predictably when you reposition objects. Now you refine the route and endpoints. Use the yellow handles on connectors to reroute bends and smooth intersections so lines avoid overlapping content. If a connector isn't gluing, drag its endpoint directly onto a shape's connection point until it highlights. This converts free ends into glued ones. Open Format Shape to set line weight, color, and arrowheads. These choices clarify flow and emphasis. Make sure to zoom in while adjusting so connection points snap cleanly and routing looks intentional. To finish, tidy the slide. Group related shapes and their connectors or use the selection pane to lock items in place, which prevents accidental movement. Test by dragging shapes. Connectors should remain glued and reroute. If a line detaches, reattach by dragging its endpoint to a shape's connection point or replace the line with a connector tool so it becomes a proper host. One troubleshooting tip: if connectors refuse to glue, enable dynamic connectors in shape format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.